Hey beauties, what's going on? It's your girl Larice here, the founding owner of BeyondBody.com. Thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. And if this is your first time here, thank you and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to incorporate a video inside of your product page. So if you have a Shopify store and you've been wondering how can you incorporate maybe an instructional video or a quick little promo video inside of your product page, make sure you stay tuned because that's what this video is all about. And before we jump into the content, make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that bell notification so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. So with that out of the way, let's get into the video.
Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh.
Okay, beauty. So here we are inside of the back office of my Shopify store. So what you want to do is head over to your left-hand column and you want to go all the way to the bottom where it says settings. So once you click on settings, it will take you to this screen right here. So what you want to do is go over here to file, click on file. And I had already previously recorded a short video. So you will want to have instructional video, whatever kind of video it is that you are trying to incorporate into your product page. You want to have that video ready and saved. So you go here and click on the green button at the top right-hand corner that says upload files. And I saved mine onto my desktop and it is the demo video. So it is uploading. Here we go, right here. So then you see right here, it has the date added, the size, and then you see right here, it says link. So you want to copy that link. And that is the URL link that Shopify has created for the video that you uploaded. Once you have that link, you want to open up a notepad, and inside of the description of this video, I will put a copy of code that you need to use in order to make this video successful. So it's too long for me to recite it to you, but I'm going to have it right below in the description of this video. And you want to copy that code, this code right here that I just highlighted in blue. This will be the code that you will find down below inside the description of this video that you are watching right now. So you want to copy this as well, along with the URL that you copied from your video. So for example, once you grab this code right here from the description, you want to paste it inside of a notepad and then just make a few little spaces down below and then copy your video URL that you got out of the file section from the Shopify store, right? So that's two things that you need, but you don't want to put them together just yet. You want to make a couple of spaces and separate them so you don't get confused. So now that we have this, you see right here that where I'm highlighting, it says your URL here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your URL right here, the cdn.shopify.com, blah, 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 blah. This is the link that you copied from your Shopify store, which is the video that you've uploaded. So you want to copy that. And then right here where it says your URL here, you want to paste that new one right here. And now that it's put together, you want to copy this entire thing. Now we're going to go to a product page, which I have one up. And as you can see, there is a video here already. And so I'm not going to paste the link in here since I already have one. I don't want to have more than one video, but I'm just showing you the process. So Once you go to your product page, of course, you won't have this little screen right here just yet. You will have your description inside the box, or maybe yours is blank. But what you want to do is go right here where it says show HTML, and you want to click on that. And once you click that, you will see a whole bunch of coding, which is okay. Don't be afraid. Don't be intimidated by the coding. But what you want to do is you want to find a space where you want to put your video. So for example, mine I can see is right here, because remember we had the cdn.shopify.com. So this is my video that you see right there. So I wanted my video above my description. That doesn't mean that's where you have to place your video. Your video can be underneath the description. Wherever you want to place your video inside of your description box is solely up to you. But that's what you do. You place the code wherever. So for example, let's say I wanted to place the code at the end. You just make a space and you copy that in there. And then we're going to preview the section before I save it so you guys can see. Well, I'm not even going to save it because I really don't want this video. So this is my original video. And here is the new video that I just created for you guys for demonstration purposes. So let's make sure it works. This is just a quick demo video so you can see exactly how a video looks inside of a Shopify store on the product page. So as you can see, it works. And so I am not going to save it, but for you, you will need to save it. Otherwise, it won't show up. Let me unshare this. So you just follow the steps that I took and your video will be there. And before you push save, just make sure you click on preview so you can see the video. And then once it is where you want it to be, or it looks how you want it to look, then make sure you save it so you don't have to go back and do it again. I love you guys. Take care, beauties. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment if you have any questions. Seriously, leave a comment down below in the comment section. And the next video, I'm going to show you how to make or incorporate videos inside of your main page, your home page, not necessarily inside of the product page. So if you're wondering how do you get these videos on your home page, stay tuned for the next video because I will be sharing that too. Bye guys. Oh, wait. Before I let you guys go, there was another thing, because I'm sure you're probably wondering, like, why can't I just record a video, upload it onto YouTube, grab the YouTube video link, and just paste it inside of my Shopify store? It's not professional. And I talk a lot about trying to make your business look as professional as possible. Like it just doesn't look good. For one, you don't want to have your YouTube video going to your Shopify store. Let's just say, for example, you're barely starting your YouTube channel and you don't have any subscribers, or you have one subscriber or very minimal subscribers. Like, it doesn't give you that much credibility. You know what I mean? It doesn't mean that you're not good at your craft, but as a potential customer, someone that's watching you, it's like, oh, well, this person just got started. I'm not sure. I'm going to watch and wait. Like, you don't want that. You want people to feel confident and comfortable in shopping with you and purchasing with you. So, you don't want to have a YouTube link or a YouTube video on your store page and bringing it back, you know what I mean? And then we all know how YouTube is a rabbit hole. Like if you have a video on your store and it shows YouTube, like who knows if it's going to have ads on there, or after your video's over, it plays somebody else's video. Like, just to avoid all of that, you just want to steer away from uploading your video onto YouTube and just grabbing the link and putting it into your Shopify store like that. Just record your own video from your computer, from your cell phone, save it onto whatever device you want to, and just do it the way that I've demonstrated in this video, and you know, it would be seamless and smooth as possible. So I just wanted to make sure I said that, because I'm sure maybe somebody out there that's watching this is thinking like, dude, I could have done this like a lot easier. I could have just went on YouTube or put my video on YouTube, grab that link. Like, you can, but this is just a more professional looking way. So again, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you already know. Drop them down in the comment section. Love you guys. Bye. This time, bye.